Kevin Stein, 18th Avenue and 50th Street. Goldberg's Freshmarket, the only supermarket open in the bar park 24 hours a day. Shia from the takeout, me ready from that. Mr. Okim and Shia. Do Zemmer Shia, let's go check out the takeout. Let me see what Shia is. How many years you working here already?
27.
27 years with the famous Isaac over here by the Goldberg's takeout. Wow, I can't believe you have the roast over here with the chicken. It's a legendary for Goldberg's. Isaac, 27 years here. Stuff. Show us some of your takeout, what's going on over here. Get back kick, get back kick. The schnitzel do, wow, the baby chicken.
Sweet chili.
Sweet chili. The famous sesame chicken, get back kick.
Cutlet.
The cutlets. The famous Franks and Blanks. Deli roll. Kick of Isaac Schmeichel when he describes the food over here by the famous takeout. The Essen du ist takenaraftig.
Fish.
Hast du Fish, a ganze Section du.
Spicy fish, regular fish.
Wow. Isaac, you greet everybody with the same smile here. It's unbelievable. We came to Iran, Isaac, for 27 years, the selbe Schmeichel. Wow. Okay, so you're the chef over here. Die machst the Essen, you took the famous Essen from Goldberg's takeout. Lass mich hier ein bisschen Tage wegen der Essen du.
Some do Essen von Hungarian food, Chinese food, American food. Wir probieren zu machen alles für die alle Customers.
Wow. Wo sucht er?
Syrian food.
Syrian food. You're a Syrian. Syrian food auch getreffen. Wow. So Chevre, this is one of the most famous takeouts in Borough Park. The famous takeout from Goldberg's Grocery with our chef Shia in the house.
Chaim, unsere takeout is open bis 12 o'clock, midnight. And then when someone is 24 hours is open the store. And so do the grab and go section. Fin milchig, tuna lunch, power salad, meat fish, chicken.
Fleischig, a schnitzel plate.
And grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken salads over here. Wow, wow, wow. So, koidem kol, ik wil even a personal story. Als ik moet nog een gasten. En du holt dat hem doen. Misschien krijg ik nog een gasten, whatever. You can come over here, you open till 12 every night, the takeout, and then a whole night, 24 hours, als the salads do. Full salads, all types. Kijk of die dips do Erev Shabbos. Zie je right to the shelf do. The coleslaw, the mushroom salad. En mag du get the salatim do. Israeli salads. Wow. Kijk of die kotchen you do. Echt de kotchen you, wow. Salmon, sweet and sour salmon. Get the salmon fish. Alle meine kigelig do, onion kigel, alles hat do, hakkelbakkel. Alle meine salads on bottom. A bisschen gallop peche. Normaal do stak van Shabbos, alle kigelig, alle salad.
And in some of the grab and go the sandwiches.
Grab and go sandwiches. So ze draaien van toeks, eine wekt auf, en dan van gitte schnitzel sandwich. You have it too.
Milchige can come and do, so often.
Wow, get about kick. I get the corned beef sandwich. Als I feed van toeks, eine steigt auf. Alle sandwiches, pastrami, turkey, corned beef. What's in Shia? You must consider do.
Yeah.
You hook everybody up.
Yeah.
Shia, it is beautiful. What should I tell you? Kick off the takeout. Displayed beautiful, looks gorgeous. Azeche essen do. This looks good with the jalapenos.
Yeah, this is hot peppers.
Hot peppers, but the way Shia macht this.
Delicious sauce.
Delicious, delicious. Coming over here. Get about kick. This dich. Come on over here, say hi to Isaac. Tasty, famous hot foods to go. So heiße Zip do. Get the Essen. And mention the Perlowitz show for a free hot dog. Shia, lass mal sehen, wie man macht eine Hot Dog Tacke.
Okay, lass mal machen eine Hot Dog.
Legit. Get about kick.
Eine Hot Dog.
I love this. Fine and nice. Shia macht da, get the hot dog. A bisschen mustard. Beauty.
Ketchup.
A bisschen ketchup. Oh yeah. Kick me a wrap this so it shine. Beauty. Gib a Schnapp in der Mitte. Guck was in der Mitten do. Woof. Get back kick, This hot dog can be yours. Biz Rosh Chodesh El, Come around, du. Mention the Perlowitz show for a hot dog. Me steigt schon durch, aber gib a kick auf the... Wow, gib a kick. Broiled chicken. It's a brutzig. Kijk wie ze erin daarop de. Wow, kijk wie ze erin doen. In the fire. Mama is zo wie de... Zo wie korn. Next level. Fijn gevre, she and Isaac. Hat's mir a lechtingen tug. Thank you so much for doing this giveaway for my
Wir
gevre.
wollen heim, was in so machen Orders. Wir nehmen Orders, für Shabusem, für Shagaishem, für a Bar Mitzvah, anything. Kann man ordern, herankommen, und man macht alles.
Wow, so gevre, call her aan. I'm gonna like the phone number up on screen. Call her for any kiddish, any event, anything. Call her aan, and you get the tastiest food on your table at your event.
Correct.
Hat's mir a lechtingen tug.